Did you know that the secret to glowing, smooth, glass-like skin might already be sitting in your kitchen right now? Yes, I'm talking about rice. This affordable ingredient that has been used for centuries in Asian beauty routines because it's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and skin-loving compounds that helps brighten, hydrate, and smooth the skin. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use rice to achieve that healthy glass skin glow, including how to make rice water, rice face masks, and a simple rice toner that you can add to your skincare routine. And trust me, you don't want to skip the mistake people make that can actually damage their skin. If you are excited to glow naturally, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. What is glass skin? Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what glass skin really means. Glass skin doesn't mean perfect or flawless skin. It simply refers to skin that looks deeply hydrated, smooth, healthy, and naturally radiant. To achieve glass skin, you need to focus on 4 things. 1. Gentle cleansing, hydration, brightening, and consistency. So these 4 things are essential for glass skin. And rice can help support all these 4. Now, why rice is good for your skin? Rice contains several nutrients that may benefit your skin. It contains antioxidants that help protect the skin from environmental stressors. Second, rice contains amino acid which supports the skin barrier and help the skin retain moisture. It also contains vitamins and minerals that can improve the appearance of dull-looking skin. Rice starch has soothing properties that may help calm irritation and reduce the feeling of dryness. And fermented rice water contains compounds that can make the skin appear smooth, brighter over time. While rice isn't a miracle cure for acne, hyperpigmentation, or other skin concerns, it can be a great addition to a healthy skincare routine. Remember, glowing skin comes from consistency, not overnight results. How to make rice water. To make rice water, you will need half a cup of uncooked rice, 1 cup of clean water, a bowl, a strainer, a clean spray bottle or container. You can use white rice, jasmine rice, or brown rice, but plain white rice is the most commonly used. Step 1. Wash the rice. Use the rice once to remove dirt and impurities, then discard the water. Step 2. Soak the rice. Add 1 cup of clean water to the rinsed rice and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Step 3. Stir and strain. Stir the rice with clean hands or a spoon until the water turns cloudy. Strain the liquid into a clean container, and that's your fresh rice water. So there's also an optional method, that's the fermentation method. For extra benefits, leave the rice water at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours before refrigerating. This is to make sure it gets fermented. Fermented rice water may contain higher levels of antioxidants, but it can also be stronger, so always dilute it if you have sensitive skin. Store your rice water in the refrigerator and use it within 5 to 7 days. How to use rice water for glass skin. Method 1. Rice water toner. After cleansing your face, pour some rice water onto a cotton pad or spray it directly onto your skin. Gently pat it into your face until it absorbs. Wait 1 to 2 minutes before applying your serum and moisturizer. Use it 2 to 3 times per week. Method 2. Rice water face mist. Transfer the rice water into a spray bottle and keep it in the refrigerator. Use it throughout the day whenever your skin feels dry or tired. So you can keep it in your bag as you go. Anytime your face is dry or tired, you can just spray it on your face. This is essentially refreshing during hot weather. Method 3. Rice water face soak. Soak cotton pads in chilled rice water and place them on your cheeks and forehead for 5 minutes. This helps refresh and hydrate the skin. So this is what you can do with rice water. It will hydrate your skin, it will make your skin to look classy, and it will glow your skin and remove all the irritations and impurities on your skin. DIY rice face masks for extra glow. The ingredients you need for this DIY rice face masks are 2 tablespoons of cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend or mash the cooked rice until smooth. Add the yogurt and honey and mix well. Apply the mask evenly to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and apply your moisturizer. This mask can help temporarily soften and hydrate the skin. Use it once or twice a week. If you are allergic to honey or dairy products, skip those ingredients and use only rice. So now, let's look at the complete rice glass skin routine. The glass skin routine that you need for that glassy, glowing, moisturized skin. If you want the best result for this simple routine, in the morning, what you need is gentle cleanser, then rice water toner, then hydrating serum, moisturizer, and then sunscreen. These are what you need for your morning skincare routine to get that glassy and glowing skin. Never skip sunscreen because UV damage can make your skin look dull and uneven. So make sure you apply sunscreen every day, even when you are indoors, especially when you are going out. For your nighttime routine, you will need cleanser, rice water toner, and moisturizer. Just these 3 things. Cleanse your face, apply a rice water toner, and after that you moisturize your face. Add the rice face mask once or twice a week. You can use the rice face mask once or twice weekly during your nighttime routine. Now, there are some important mistakes to avoid so that you will get that glowy and glassy skin. Because there are some people making mistakes here and there, and at the end they are not seeing the results they want. Then they think, oh, this is not working on me. So make sure you listen to these mistakes I'm about to share and make sure you are not making these mistakes. Before you start using rice on your skin, avoid these common mistakes. Number 1, don't use spoiled rice water. When the rice has spoiled, maybe it's no longer fermented, it's even smelling, just throw it away and get another and make another rice water so that it will not spoil your skin. If it smells bad or changes color, just throw it away. Number 2, don't use rice water multiple times a day. You use it in the morning, use it in the afternoon, use it in the night. No, once a day is okay. Overusing it can cause dryness or irritation. Number 3, never skip a patch test. Apply a small amount behind your ear or your inner arms and wait for 24 hours to see if you react to it, or if your body will react to it before you apply it on your entire face. Number 4, don't expect overnight results. A lot of people will apply a product or will start the skincare routine and they will expect results immediately. It takes time. Skincare takes time. So don't expect immediate and fast results. So, can rice give you glass skin? The answer is yes, but only when it's combined with a consistent skincare routine, proper hydration, and daily sunscreen. Remember, the goal isn't perfect skin, the goal is healthy, glowing skin. If you try any of these skincare recipes, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves natural skincare. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.